I'm enjoying my awesome meatloaf. The ultimate, the best. And I'm gonna show you how you can also have some awesome meatloaf. The most amazing meatloaf you have ever experienced in your life. We did it. Hamburger, Walmart special. Ketchup, some black pepper, regular salt, cheese and salt.
Beefy onion, Lipton onion soup, but I like to add flavor. I like my meatloaf very flavorful.
On the table. Mushrooms. We got the green peppers too.
Green peppers, green peppers, green peppers, green peppers, and got the green peppers and the green.
Got the onion.
Onion, and the onion, and the onion, and the onion, and the onion,
And tender hugs.
Look how beautiful it is. It's just beautiful.
and the stew, and some eggs.
Yes. We add eggs.
Eggs.
Not so. It's still beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. It looks like dessert.
Look,
Okay, time to get your back into it.
Ew.
Want to crush up another pack of crackers for me, Maria?
Yeah.
We need more crackers, baby. You gonna crush them?
Yeah.
Stand the countertop. We add some more ketchup now.
What's inside it? What's inside it?
Stop before you get in.
Now this isn't a potato video, but we are also gonna make homemade mashed potatoes. Yeah. What I did was I basically just put it on like it's frosting, and this is a $3.50. Let's see what happens. Check and see how it's doing. Oh.
Lucky bastard.
Gotta have mashed potatoes and gravy on the side.
How would you like your eggs today? I'm cutting up eggs. Is any way that you say? Would you like them scrambled or sunny side up? I'm cutting them peppers and mushrooms. Let me whip it right up. I don't use butter, but instead I use milk. That makes it healthier for us, yeah, and creamier too. I'm cooking up the mix, pick out the shells I misplaced. I shred my own cheese, you could say